Welcome guys, this is KOK Party Favors. Today I'm going to be making the bunny that's made out of the plastic bowls from Dollar Tree. Here are the two bowls that will make up the bottom portion of the bunny, and this is the top of the two bowls that's used to make the top of the bunny. Okay, so the first thing we're going to work with is our bottom. As you can see, I have my shred in already. And this is not a basket that I'm making for anybody, so don't ask where's the candy. There's no candy. So I'm just putting the bunny in there just to give you an idea of what it looks like filled up. I have my little shred in there and have my little bunny. So what I'm going to do now is put my top over, and I am going to put tape on two sides. If you want to really secure it, you can use tape on all four sides if you want to. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is set this aside, and I'm going to work on this portion. So the first thing I'm going to do is glue this bowl to the top of this. Okay, so I'm going to I have my glue gun ready here. I'm going to put some glue here, and I am going to center it on top of the big bowls. And we're going to give that time to adhere, and then we are going to put some filler in our top bowl. This is really, really easy to make, guys. Really easy. Okay. And for the top here, I have a little Peeps bunny I'm going to put in. Okay. So I have my little Peeps in there. And make sure you get it. Okay. And what I'm going to do now is put the top on here. Line up the ridges in the bowl, and I'm going to tape down this as well. Okay, and you're taping it so that your customers or whoever you're making it for can get in it to get the treats out. Okay. All right, so we got a good seal there. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm not finished yet. The next thing I want to do is put some eyes and a mouth on this top, okay? And so I use my Cricut machine. I may have my eyes too big, but we're going to see. So I cut these shapes out on my Cricut machine. For the eyes, I just used the oval shape. And I think I could have made them a lot smaller, guys. There's some big old eyes here for this little bunny. Okay. And for the nose and little top of the mouth, this is a heart. And I used a half moon. I welded it together. Okay. So that's all it took to make that. And I think, guys, I'm going to have to, I'm going to put a whisker there. I'm going to put a whisker here. Okay, we'll put one more whisker on that side. Okay, so those are my whiskers for that side. Now we're going to move and do some whiskers on this other side. thought of. Are they the same length and everything on both sides? I wonder. Okay, guys. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the little bunny ears on top here, but I'm going to have to glue. And that looks much, much better, guys. I hope you all enjoy this tutorial, and I hope that you, if you do decide to make it, that you enjoy it just as much as I did. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.